Hello, friends. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm sharing a simple, home-style cauliflower patties recipe, and it's truly delicious. Place a whole head of cauliflower into a large pot. Cover it with clean water. Salt the water well and simmer the cauliflower for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary to the boiling water for gentle flavor. This step is optional. Lift the cooked cauliflower out and let it cool a little. Cut the cauliflower into florets. Chop the florets into small pieces. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and how cauliflower is cooked in your tradition. I'd love to hear. Chop the cauliflower a bit finer. It will be easier to work with later. Transfer the cauliflower to a deep mixing bowl. Grate one large potato on the medium side of the grater. We may not cross paths here again, so please subscribe now to stay connected. Add the grated potato to the bowl with the cauliflower. Finely chop one medium sweet pepper. If you'd like to support my creative work, please give this video a like. It helps a lot. Keep the pieces small. It makes the vegetable mixture easier to shape. Add the chopped pepper to the bowl with the other vegetables. Finely chop one leek. Again, small pieces give the best texture. You can swap the leek for shallot or a regular white onion if you prefer. Add the leek to the rest of the vegetables. Finely chop a small bunch of fresh parsley. Use any fresh herbs you love instead of parsley if you like. Add the parsley to the bowl. Take 4 cloves of garlic, grate them on the fine side of the grater, or simply mince the garlic with a knife. Garlic adds a rich flavor to the mixture. Add 3 eggs to the vegetables. If you do not eat eggs, just leave them out. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix everything well. For an egg-free version, add about 100 milliliters of water or soy cream and mix thoroughly. It works well in this recipe. Season with salt to taste. Season with black pepper. Add a pinch of cumin. Mix everything well again. Add 100 grams of grated cheese to the vegetable mixture. I'm using vegan cheese today, but you can go with whatever you prefer. Mix everything until combined. Spoon the mixture onto parchment paper, shaping small patties. I get 9 patties, so the mixture is enough for a second batch. Time to start air frying. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and air fry for 15 minutes. What a lovely golden color and a cozy aroma, just what we want. Enjoy them hot with yogurt and your favorite fresh herbs. To stay connected, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Share this simple, wholesome recipe with your friends. I will be waiting for you in the comments.